Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so the past 2 days I've spent trying to film a look that I just really haven't been happy with. So we're gonna switch it up and try something else and you guys may never see it. Sorry. Now, with everyone getting into the holiday spirit, I've been seeing so many posts of like Grinch looks, snowflake looks, like open present looks. Today I'm going to be doing a gingerbread man look, which was inspired by a face chart that I saw from Eric Duh. But he did like a really cute little look, and I've seen a couple different variations on it. So yeah, we're going to see what I can do. So first things first, my skin's pretty good right now. Not too dry, so maybe I'll use my vitamin C drops. I need to restock on these, but I haven't been to the Christmas market yet. In Toronto, there's a really pretty Christmas market. I usually go, but I haven't gone yet. Hint, hint, someone take me. I think I'm supposed to be going with my sister soon, but she's not back from BC till next week. I also have to work later today, so we're probably going to try to pump this out pretty quick. This is the first Christmas in like 3 years that I haven't worked at my old restaurant, and I just started working at a new bar. So I feel like, compared to my presents last year, my presents for my friends and family this year are going to be fucking trash. Just absolute garbage presents.
The avocado! Thanks!
And powder. Now I'm going to take my Colourpop bronzer in Private Party. My Kat Von D Superbrow and Blonde, and my Anastasia brow brush. All my alarms are called like dumb shit, like 14-year-olds named my alarms, except for like it's just me and my sense of humor. Like one of them is like, get the fuck out of bed. One of them just says smoke. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Like why do I have an alarm set to smoke? I don't know. Gucci gang. Okay, so now that my brows are done, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna grab my James Charles palette. Okay, so I'm going to start with which shade am I going to start with? I'm going to take a little bit of Code James. Now I'm going to take a little bit of 10% off. I'm going to go. Wow, I am really struggling today. I'm going to go in with no beans. just gonna take a little bit of Spooky which is the black in the corner. I like never do brown smoky eyes, so like this is weird for me. I'm gonna go back in with 10% off, but on a smaller brush. And now I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and take Code James and just blend out the bottom. That's a really nice brown eye. Like, I don't really do brown smoky eyes, but like, damn, James. I'm gonna spray my little brush with a little bit of Prep and Set. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna use ring light. So now I'm going to take my M421 and Colourpop concealer. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M153 and take No Beans and a little bit of Benny. I'm going to take more of a precision brush. So I'm going to take my ME18 and go back in with No Beans. It's time for my white eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm going to take my NYX liners in yellow. There's my red. And I'm just gonna draw some little dots. I feel like I say that a lot in these videos. Just, all right. And a waterline with a black pencil. Just gonna build a little circle on my nose. And I'm gonna take You're Kidding. I'm going to trace that with my white eyeliner. I'm going to setting spray. And I'm going to take my highlighter brush, wherever the fuck it went, and use Face. Yes, bitch. Alright, and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone with my little tiny M213 and ring light. Right, and I have a stray hair. If you guys didn't watch my last video, those bitches get plucked. So now that we are done with that, I'm going to take my Jeffree Star Mini Rainbow Liquid Lip Kit and go in with redrum. Alright, and that was Jeffree Star in the shade redrum. lips a little pointy at the end so they look more cartoony. But then I just need to fill in the empty spaces. So I'm gonna put my mascara on. I think I'm gonna do my bottom lashes in white. I'm going to use my new Morphe lashes in Rodeo Drive. Or just Rodeo, I lied. One thing I don't like about NYX liquid white is it like gets hard. So my lips right now feel very fucking weird. Right, so now we've got the finished. Well, I'm happy with how this came out. I think it came out really cute. It's a really cute little gingerbread man. It's not too difficult. And the smoky eye itself without the like sprinkles and the icing lines is really cute. Thank you, James. Also, this redrum from Jeffree Star is literally such a beautiful red. I might wear it later to work. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little gingerbread man tutorial. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.